McDonald's is one of the most well-known fast food restaurants in the world. McDonald's is the go-to place for numerous hungry customers looking for quick, easy, and inexpensive cuisine. But there's something suspicious they don't want you to know. Prepare for a breathtaking journey that will test your perceptions of this legendary brand and leave you wondering what lies beneath the surface of your favorite fast food treat. Some of these are rumors, but some stories are shockingly true. Let's get started. McDonald's has a frightening secret behind its success. McDonald's sells more toys than you might think. In addition to fast food, Toys R Us, metal from Hasbro. No other brand comes close to the vast volume of toys distributed by McDonald's each year. How did McDonald's become a toy empire? And why does the innocent bun have a sinister side? Secret: they do not want you to understand what McDonald's is. For better or worse, the fast food giant has been a staple of American cuisine since the 1950s. It is one of the most well-known and successful brands on the planet, providing a consistent experience everywhere, and it paved the way for the common franchise model that many businesses in many countries use today. Steadily, McDonald's has risen for decades to become one of the world's largest real estate owners.
Get the BTS meal at McDonald's.
Even when confronted with obstacles such as a fluctuating economy or changing consumer habits, the company consistently recovers and reminds consumers that it is not in the grip of a pandemic. They flourish in adverse conditions. Despite the global recession, the fast food behemoth is doing well due to digital ordering and deliveries. The corporation has large-scale expansion ambitions, but the number of additional stores is unknown. However, a nasty thread runs through all of its businesses, something unpleasant that keeps them afloat and profitable. The biggest strategy is that McDonald's is always open. They market themselves as a family-friendly restaurant, which sounds harmless but has sinister overtones. A brand is only as valuable as it is recognizable to the target consumer, and McDonald's has an unnerving but effective way of grabbing its target consumer for life. The target consumer is young, and a big part of the company's operations have been geared towards appealing to this demographic. Bob Bernstein reminded McDonald's that new ideas like Burger King's mascot and Burger Chef's present for youngsters were costing the company families. Bernstein got the multi-billion-dollar concept from an unlikely source. Bob noticed his son marveling at the vivid colors, puzzles, and games in the cereal boxes while eating breakfast. He recognized that children require stimulus when eating, thrill, and novelty. He suggested a Culver box filled with puzzles, games, comic strips, and toys to encourage youngsters to eat at McDonald's. But the firm didn't grasp it at first and was hesitant to include it in their menu, which is practically inconceivable today. Because statistics and market validation were absent at the time, franchise owners had difficulty retaining and delivering novelty boxes, including toys. The McDonald's management did not believe the concept was worthwhile, but because of Bob's persistence, they conducted a market test. The Happy Meal was released after a successful screening and market test. The winning combination of toys and chicken nuggets turned it into a financial regular for McDonald's and a brand cornerstone. Since most of their outlets emphasize being kid-friendly with distinct colorful playgrounds and lively mascots, Stimulation has continued to promote McDonald's brand by providing services like birthday parties and barista coffees with their trademark McCafe. The company made the setting appealing to both children and parents. Franchises were deliberately situated to make it the most accessible and convenient location for this product, elevating Happy Meal to the position of dark kingpin. McDonald's is the world's largest toy distributor, with approximately 1.5 billion toys distributed each year. The business launched its first promotional Happy Meal in 1979 with a Star Trek toy. Since then, McDonald's has mastered the art of luring youngsters into their restaurants by marketing the most popular toys, popular and timely, to keep its target audience thinking about the golden arches. The brand broadcasts advertisements and time slots on children's networks before and after school to promote new and exciting promotions. According to a survey, Angry Birds, Sonic the Hedgehog, and even the latest Super Mario Bros. Movie integrate McDonald's cross-advertising, maintain relevance in the minds of children despite shifting consumer tastes. McDonald's method allows them to remain current and enticing to children, something they excel at. But the question is, how exactly does this work? These familiar toys appeal to children, and science backs it up. A 2016 study, on the other hand, found that children were more likely to appreciate McDonald's if they knew it had toys. The link between toy knowledge and other restaurant knowledge intake of fast food. The knowledge of fast food toys among young children was associated with greater McDonald's trips, demonstrating that child-directed marketing toys increase unhealthy food consumption. According to additional research, the movie Titan Toys influences children's meal perspectives by associating healthy and bad meals with films. Timeless items. Children like toys with their meals, so why do McDonald's restaurants attract children? It's a method of gaining access to parents' wallets. According to a thorough academic study of the company's approach, enticing youngsters with these products causes an emotional response that influences family purchase decisions, such as where a family eats. McDonald's has paid tremendous attention to children in every country, developing Happy Land for them with fantastic Happy Meals and novelty toys, regardless of how different the preferences and local needs are. These promotions and advertisements are intentionally placed on children's networks during peak viewing times to expose youngsters to these toys and reinforce McDonald's favorable associations with buns and fries. It was discovered that McDonald's focused on children when entering East Asia to achieve the highest results in all areas. Unfortunately, society has been afflicted for decades by this lucrative yet dangerous technique. Children have developed a long-term problem as a result of constant exposure to McDonald's marketing and messaging. Customer attachment to fast food brands results in poor eating habits and long-term health problems. Obesity and nutrition difficulties later in life. Fast food is a dead horse, and there's nothing wrong with eating unhealthy foods in moderation. The issue is McDonald's approach to targeting children and instilling bad habits in them at a young age by providing enticing menu items like the Happy Meal, which include popular toys that youngsters can't help but want. As a result, these difficulties have become profoundly ingrained in youngsters. It was discovered that repeated visits to McDonald's and other fast food restaurants create unfavorable nutritional habits that children are likely to carry into adulthood. As an adult, anything that becomes a habit, such as rewarding yourself with candy, finishing your plate, or feeling guilty about uneaten food, can lead to overeating or eating the wrong things. Bad eating habits. Obesity rates in the United States more than quadrupled from 5% in 1978 to 18.5% in 2016, although they are finally leveling off. As first world countries become increasingly health conscious, there is a growing awareness of McDonald's problems. McDonald's advertising deliberately targets third world countries, perpetuating the cycle of poor health. Strategy in low-income countries. According to the experts, McDonald's promotes more on social media than on television and offers more discounts on cheap and unhealthy menu items. Children-targeted posts were more prevalent in these locations as McDonald's sells its product internationally, which will raise poor diets, obesity, and related ailments in developing countries. Obesity is a global problem that has been related to major causes of death such as diabetes, heart disease, strokes, and cancer. Despite improvements in the company's reputation in Western high-income countries, McDonald's continues to promote harmful eating patterns in children, resulting in lifetime behaviors. Excellent or dreadful McDonald's focus on children is nasty, but other firms employ more inventive and beneficial marketing strategies. What you see is only the tip of the iceberg when we start to look deeper into McDonald's. Your journey through these discoveries isn't over yet. Stay informed. Question what you think is normal, and choose the food you eat with care. Tell your family and friends about these shocking facts. Let's work together to raise awareness and push for a healthier, more open food business. Your decisions are important, so make them smart. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more shocking mysteries like these. See you in the next video.